Chronixx is an Jamaican reggae artist and a member of the UK-based music collective Sault. His stage name replaced the name Little Chronicle, which he was given because of his father, the singer Chronicle. Jamar began songwriting at an early age, and his father, Selvin McNaughton, known professionally as Chronicle, began to nurture his musical aspiration. On 13 March 2020, Chronixx released the first single, Dela Move, from his upcoming second album, Dela Splash. The title of the track and album were inspired by his hometown, Dela Vega City, a district in Spanish Town, Jamaica. On August 3, 2025, Chronixx made a significant return to the stage as the main headliner of Reggaeland, a two-day festival held at the Milton Keynes National Bowl. He closed out the event with a powerful performance, making his first major public appearance in several years. During the set, he announced plans to release a new album titled Exit later that year. Chronixx made a few brief, impromptu appearances during this time. Notable moments include surprise performance at Protoes Lost in Time Festival in 2023 and the second annual Jamar Summerly birthday celebration in 2025, both held in Jamaica. He also made a handful of rare live appearances around the island, maintaining a quiet presence in the reggae scene. Chronixx maintained a low public profile between 2020 and 2025, releasing little solo material and making few public appearances. His absence from the mainstream reggae scene during his period led to widespread speculation among fans and media. While the reasons for his silence never formally addressed, it was widely believed that he was focusing on personal growth and artistic exploration. His final solo release before his extended hiatus was the single Never Give Up, released in 2022. A pivotal moment came in 2009 following